A lot of farmers in our remote villages, in the towns that we left a long while ago, most of them are the people that are planting the food that we eat. And you that you are very good technological savvy, you have a good smartphone, you have a good experience about social media. Why don't you actually lie hands with a farmer and showcase some of all these our agricultural products and make money by yourself? Are you a student that you stay in one of all these remote villages, or your university is in one of all these villages? Why don't you look for an agricultural product to sell? Should I tell you why? Because everybody must eat. I have not seen that kind of human being that will say that he does not eat in a day, because food is one of the essential ingredients of life. So what do you actually do? I will not want to bore you with a lot of information on this video, but understand that what you can do is actually embedded in one of the systems we have actually designed on Agrodemy, and that is you enrolling into our academy. And if you enroll today, we have a special offer for you. I'm very serious. You are not going to be spending too much of money. It is roughly very free, very free. So you could actually leverage on that, and you'll be amazed by the opportunity. What you just have to do is just have to give yourself about 3 to 6 months, and you'll make a good amount of money. Seriously, there is money in agriculture. If you can see it, you can achieve. You remember that quote? If you can see it, you can achieve. Africa is blessed with a lot of arable lands, and that arable lands make a lot of agricultural products. And a lot of all these agricultural products, most of them are into wastage because a lot of people do not buy it on time. And with you, we know that you can actually make a difference. So kindly enroll or kindly comment in the section below and let us know how we can actually take it up from there. Do have a great day ahead. We love you. Bye. Cheers.